Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and welcome to this week's Sunday Reset. I'm so glad you're here. Let's go ahead and get started. So we only have a little bit of time right now before we have to head out for soccer. It is a busy Saturday. Danny actually already left with Ryan. We have to divide and conquer today because we've got away games in two different towns that are pretty significantly far apart from each other. So that's not a problem. We're just going to divide and conquer. But I want to get as much done as I possibly can before I head out today. Just even if it's just like the general area, you know what I mean, and getting like my weekly things done. And then when everybody's home, we can worry about, you know, bedrooms and bathrooms and those types of things. Everybody has their part that they do. Danny and I clean the bathroom together. We clean our bedroom together, that kind of thing. The kids clean their own bedroom and bathroom. So I'm gonna go ahead and get as much done as physically possible so that when we get home from soccer, we can just relax. I can work on editing, you know what I mean? We can chill, watch a movie. I have reading I want to get done. I am wearing a little sports dress from Avia at Walmart. I love these things. They're so comfortable. It is so hot outside and so incredibly humid that I'm just trying to be comfortable. And that is what I am wearing today. So we've got a little less than an hour. So gonna get as much done as we possibly can before we head out. I'm so glad you're here. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, my friends, in true Sunday Reset fashion, we're going to go ahead and get started with some laundry. I have been trying very hard to be very mindful about just folding things as they come out of the dryer. It's just so much easier. Nothing gets wrinkly. And I'd rather have the piles, you know, here in my laundry room while I'm going through the laundry than anywhere else. So that's what I have been trying to do. And most of the time it's been successful and it's working, but you know, there's always days where it doesn't. With 7 people in this house, you can only imagine. I've been trying to be really mindful about having my kids do their own laundry. It just makes it so much easier on everybody and it, you know, teaches responsibility. I'm more than happy to help if you've got a busy week, but for the most part, I try to have them do their own laundry and they do an okay job with that. So gonna go ahead and get all of this laundry folded. How was everyone's week? I hope you guys had a good week. It was good here. It was a beautiful week. We had lots of really sunny, beautiful days. And like I mentioned, we were able to go to the beach. I mentioned that in my day in the life vlog. I don't know if you watched that. I posted it last night. And it was just so nice. We were able to get out to the beach yesterday, Saturday. We thought it was going to be rainy, but for the most part, it held out until the evening. Didn't start raining until around 8 p.m. So we had beautiful weather for the soccer games. And then Ronan went to a local carnival with his friends, and that worked out really nicely too. He didn't have to worry about having bad weather for that. So it's been beautiful. And, you know, it went against what happens typically here in New England. It stayed sunny and beautiful all through the weekend as well, which is not typical here. And typically it will be beautiful all week long and then come the weekend and it gets rainy and cloudy and isn't as nice. So that was really, really nice. It's been very, very beautiful. It was also my son Ronan's 14th birthday this week, so we are celebrating him all week long and all weekend long. Tonight we've got family coming over for dinner. I'll be making his favorite shrimp Alfredo. He loves Alfredo. 3 of my kids, that's what they ask for their birthday dinners. They're so funny. So that's what we've got going on tonight. And we've got a busy week ahead of us. I cannot believe that we are in the last stretch for school. I did have somebody ask me if my kids were still in school. They are. Here in New England, we don't get out until late June. We go back late August, early September, and with snow days and everything, we are in school until mid to late June. So they are not out yet, but Danny gets out about a week before everybody else, all the kids, and then the kids will be out about a week later. So cannot believe it. And then next year I'll have a senior in high school again. My son Aiden will be a senior and we'll be doing all the senior festivities again that we just did with Michaela. I feel like we just did that last year because we did. And then we'll be doing it again next year. Which is totally fine. Not a problem whatsoever. It's always such a bittersweet thing. Aiden is not a school kid. He does not love school, but he is looking forward to wrapping up high school so he can get into the rest of what he needs to do to become a licensed electrician. So I'm very happy for him. He's got, you know, big goals and a good plan ahead of him. We're going to go ahead and move here into the powder room and get this wiped down. As I mentioned, I was trying to plow through cleaning before we had to leave for soccer. And I was just trying to get done as much as I possibly could so that when we got home, we could enjoy, relaxation time. The night ended up taking an interesting turn. Everybody was gone. Everybody. Except for Griffin. Griffin was home, but everybody else was gone at, the movies, at friends' houses, at sleepovers, at the carnival. Griffin ended up just going upstairs and disappearing because he had a very hot soccer game. It was almost 90 degrees, no shade, and they only had 6 players. So he didn't even have enough players to rotate out. So he played really hard for a long time. He was very, very hot. So he disappeared. So it was just a lazy Saturday night. It was quiet and enjoyable, but quiet. So I'm looking forward to dinner tonight with having everybody around. That Sunday night dinners get pretty funny and loud, and I enjoy them so much. It's exactly what I wanted when I had a big family. This right here is exactly what I mean when I say I've been trying to fold in the laundry room, because when we fold out here, this is what things look like. So this was Danny and the kids doing laundry out here. So I'm just going to finish this up, get this cleaned up, and we will dust and get things, cleaned up in here. The pollen right now is out of control outside. It looks like it's raining pollen. It's crazy, and it just gets dragged into my house, especially because we haven't had a ton of rain. So need to dust and get things cleaned up. The only thing I didn't do is vacuum, and that's because the kids had brought the vacuum upstairs, didn't bring it back down, and it was dead. So it was charging so that I could vacuum it when we got back from soccer, and I have yet to do it, but I'll do it today. I will vacuum today and get that cleaned up before everybody comes over. But it's just been so incredibly dusty, and just like I said, just pollen everywhere. I've got some house projects I want to work on. Like I mentioned in my day in the life, I do need to do some more organization. I'm trying to edit out my home decor bins. I have so many. Danny and I are trying to work through the basement, but I have some house projects that I want to do as well. I really want to work on my bedroom. I would like to put up some grass cloth wallpaper above our board and batten in there. I need to show you guys like a formal tour of our new bedroom set. I also got some new decor. We're going with more of a coastal theme in there, so I want to work on that. That's probably going to be coming up later this week, I think, or the next week. I also want to do some updating in my office, brighten up the colors in there, and do some painting, that kind of thing. So got a lot of things I want to get done. I just need to find the time to do them. The problem is, it's a busy time of year right now, and we've just had a lot going on, and then everything with Danny's health. So now that all of that seems to be settling down even just a tiny bit, I feel like we can start working on a few projects. I'm also going to work on taking all of these things down to the basement. This is where I put things that need to go downstairs. And if I was smart, I would take something down with me every time I go to the gym, but I don't do that. So it just sits here. I was tempted to just leave the bin with the 4th of July decor just in my office. So that way, I could just put the things away with it, but we still have like a whole month of this. So I'm like, I got to take it downstairs. So I'm going to take all of this downstairs and get this area cleaned up as well. I have yet to bring up the cushions for our outdoor sofa. I really need to do it. However, I haven't done it because what happens is when it rains, they get soaking wet and then it becomes very soggy and impossible to just enjoy out here. So I haven't put them out because we don't have a covered deck, and I'm deciding if maybe I don't want to put them out this year and see how we do so that we can enjoy it even, after it's rained. I could just take a towel and wipe it off really quickly. I used Scotch Guard on them last year to help prevent them from getting super wet, but honestly, they just get soaked. So very curious. I'm going to see how it goes. Maybe if I know we're going to be eating out there or we're going to have, family over or something, I'll put everything out there, but otherwise, it's been kind of nice not having to worry about, the soggy cushions when it rains overnight or gets really wet overnight. So we'll see. We'll see what we're going to do. I'll keep you posted. We are also working on patching up the pool. The pool has a hole in it, unfortunately, so we're working on getting that patched up so we can fill it up for the summer. We were considering getting a new one, but we really want to get a bigger above ground pool that we can build a deck around that will just kind of be like a step down from the deck we already have. So I don't want to invest in another, soft side pool like this. I'd rather just wait until we're ready to bite the bullet and move forward with the bigger pool. We're not exactly sure what we want to do. We got to get some quotes, but that is the long-term goal. We also would like to extend the deck all the way down the back of the house to our bedroom, and where we have the window, we'd like to put French doors so that we can get out there from our bedroom as well. Put some chairs out there. We can have our coffee out there in the morning. So we'll see. Those are future projects, not anything happening tomorrow, of course. I am very anxious to bring out my coastal decor for the summer. I just love it, and we love the beach so much. Like, it is literally where I feel the most at home, and I really, really, really want to bring out my coastal decor. So I'm thinking about somewhat taking down some of the Americana decor, like the bunting and stuff, and mixing in my coastal. I've seen lots and lots and lots of people mix in coastal with flags and that kind of thing. So I'm thinking that that's what I'm going to do. I'm not sure yet. Stay tuned, but I am very anxious to bring out that decor. So maybe if I work on my bedroom first, I will, because I'm itching to decorate. So if I work on my bedroom first and get that space, worked on, I'm going to do my bedroom and the ensuite bathroom. And that's where we're going to start. In fact, when I'm done editing this video, I'm going to go order that peel and stick wallpaper so that I can work on that this week, because I am very anxious to get that going. We've been working on mapping out our summer calendar. We've got a lot of things already on the calendar. So I've been trying to figure out, what we've got going on and mapping all of that out. I'm really looking forward to having everybody home. I'm also feeling a little bit anxious about how all of my filming will go when, everybody is home, but we're going to make it work. We always do. We always figure it out. I also want to mention, you're going to notice that there are dishes in my sink and I'm adding dishes to the sink. My dishwasher was currently running. I was not going to hand wash everything. I just did not have the time. In fact, we needed to leave by 2:15 and we ended up leaving by about 2:20, 2:25 because I just wanted to finish the last of it before walking out the door. So that's what I did. But you're going to notice that there's dishes and stuff, and I left that for my kids when they got home. That is their chore. And it worked out because everybody wanted to go do stuff. And I was able to say, well, quicker you get your chores done, the quicker I can take you to go do all the things you want to do. And that always works out in my favor. All right, my friends, that's going to bring us to the end of this week's Sunday Reset. I hope that you enjoyed coming along with me. I know this was a shorter video, but like I mentioned at the start of the video, I was trying to make the most of the time that I had and get done as much as I possibly could before going to enjoy the rest of the day with my family. So I hope that this still gave you a little bit of motivation to check some things off of your list, or just gave you some relaxation if you've gotten your list done and you're just looking to relax, or maybe I could come beside you while you get some things done as well. Whatever it is, thank you for allowing me to be a small part of your day today. If you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing if you aren't already. It's free to subscribe to my channel. I post 4 new videos every single week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have the best week possible, and I will see you very soon. Take care, my friends.